my channel. Can you believe it's March already? And that means we're looking forward to spring. I can't wait. Today I have a beautiful French country inspired spring floral arrangement that I'd like to show you. And here it is, with rabbits. So if you're interested in finding out how I put this together, please stay with me. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed my video today. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.